turning skills and knowledge into long-term income assets. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about something incredibly powerful, something that can change your financial future forever. Not luck, not inheritance, not winning the lottery. I'm talking about turning your skills and knowledge into long-term income assets. Most people spend their lives trading time for money. They wake up, go to work, get paid, and repeat. If they stop working, the income stops. But what if your skills could keep paying you long after the work is done? That is the difference between income and income assets. You already have assets, you just haven't monetized them yet. Let me tell you something important. You are not starting from zero. If you can cook, teach, fix machines, design, speak, organize, sell, trade, write, code, or communicate, you already possess value. The problem is not a lack of skill. The problem is that most people never convert their skills into assets. A job pays you once, an asset pays you repeatedly. When you shift your mindset from how do I earn today to how do I build something that earns for years, your entire future changes. Stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like a builder. Employees focus on tasks. Builders focus on systems. If you learn something valuable at work, ask yourself, can I teach this? Can I package this? Can I document this? Can I automate this? Can I turn this into content? Can I turn this into a service? Can I turn this into a product? The moment you ask those questions, you move from labor to leverage, and leverage is where freedom begins. Knowledge is the most undervalued asset in the world. Think about this. The world pays billions for education, consulting, coaching, training, and information. Why? Because knowledge solves problems, and problems are everywhere. If you know how to solve a specific problem, no matter how small, you can create value. Maybe you know how to manage small business money, how to trade responsibly, how to speak confidently, how to improve productivity, how to fix common tech issues, how to cook affordable, healthy meals, how to manage time while working 2 jobs. To you, it may feel normal. To someone else, it's transformation. Never underestimate what you know. Turn skill into product. Here's the powerful part. When you turn your skill into a product, you break the time barrier. Examples: record a course once, sell it many times. Write a guide once, sell it for years. Create a digital template, sell it globally. Start a YouTube channel, build long-term ad revenue. Write an ebook, earn passive income. Build a small tool or app, scale beyond your hours. You work once, you earn repeatedly. That is how income becomes an asset. The power of compounding skills. Money compounds, but so do skills. When you consistently improve your abilities, 3 things happen. 1, your value increases. 2, your confidence increases. 3, your opportunities increases. The more valuable you become, the more leverage you gain. And here's the secret. In today's world, attention plus skill equals income potential. If you combine skill with visibility, your earning power multiplies. Consistency beats talent. You don't need to be the best. You need to be consistent. Many people wait until they feel ready. They say, I'm not expert enough. I need more certification. Someone else already does it better. But the truth is this. The market doesn't reward perfection. It rewards contribution. Start small. Share what you know. Teach what you've learned. Document your journey. Over time, experience becomes authority. Authority becomes trust. Trust becomes income. Long-term thinking creates long-term wealth. If you only chase quick money, you stay stuck in survival mode. But if you build income assets, you move into freedom mode. Ask yourself, what skill can I improve this year? What knowledge can I turn into something scalable? What system can I build that works even when I rest? Even if you start while working a job, even if you build slowly, even if it takes 2 to 5 years, you are building something that can eventually replace your salary. And that changes everything. The shift from consumer to creator. Most people consume information. Few create it. Most people scroll. Few build. Most people watch. Few publish. The world belongs to creators. When you create, you control. When you control, you build assets. And when you build assets, you build freedom. Your future self is watching. Imagine 5 years from now. One version of you, still trading time for money, still stressed about bills, still waiting for opportunity. Another version owns digital assets, has multiple income streams, earns while sleeping, has freedom of time. The only difference? One decided to turn skill into an asset. The other did not. Your future self is watching your decisions today. Start before you feel ready. You don't need millions. You don't need a big team. You don't need perfection. You need courage. You need consistency. You need commitment. Start small. Learn fast.
adjust often, stay disciplined. Turn your skills into something scalable. Turn your knowledge into something valuable. Turn your effort into something lasting. Because income pays you today, assets pay you for years. Final message. You are more capable than you think. Inside you right now is knowledge someone else needs. Inside you right now is skills someone else would pay for. Inside you right now is the seed of a long-term income asset. The question is, will you keep trading hours? Or will you start building something that works for you? Your skills are not just tools. They are the foundation of your financial freedom. Start building. Your future depends on it.